This tutorial will demonstrate how to change the profile of a teacher, how to change the profile of a student, and also how to change the name of a class and the teachers who are assigned to that class. I'm going to log in as the administrator because the administrator can do all three. And I will log in with the administrative username and password. And the first thing going to do is change the name of a class. So I'm going to click on registration. I'm going to click on class because I want to change the name of a class. I have a list of classes. I click on the I next to the class. Here I have class information. So I can change the class. I'll change it to new class 1. This is the teacher who is assigned to new class 1. If I wanted to add another teacher to that class at this point, I could do that, or I could remove a teacher. So as it is right now, I've changed the class from new class to new class 1. I submit it, and there you see new class 1. If you want to change it back for any reason, again, you just click on the I. You can go in, change it. Any information that is associated with this class does not change even when you change the name of the class. So the teacher who is assigned to it or teachers who are assigned to it would stay the same whenever you change the name either multiple times or just one time. Then I'll click on submit and I'm back to where I started. So that is how you change the name of a class and the assignment of teachers to that class. Now I want to change the profile of a teacher. So I'm going to click on teachers. I'm still under registration. Clicked on teachers. There's the teacher, new teacher. I'm going to click on the I, and I have all of the information about that teacher and the class that is assigned to that teacher. I could assign another class to that teacher, or I could remove a class from that teacher. I could change the first name, last name, the username, or the password, gender, whatever it might be. If I just make the change and then click on submit, and whatever change I've made has now been made for the teacher. Again, changing the name of the class and the profile information of the teacher can be done by the administrator only. The teacher cannot do that. Now I want to change the profile of a student, and both the administrator and the teacher are able to do that. So I'm going to click on students so that I have my list of students. I'm going to choose the class where that student is enrolled. I have new student. To change the information, I click on that magic eye, which gives me all of the data. I can change the name if there's a typo in the original way that it was entered, or I want to change the student's password. Then I can just go in, make the changes as before, click on submit, and the changes will have been made. Now that was all as the administrator. If I log in as a teacher, the only thing that I am able to change now would be the student profile, and it will look basically the same as when I did it as the administrator. So I click on the registration, students. I will have students listed in the class. I select the class, click on go. You always need to click on go, and then Here is the student. Click on the I, make whatever changes you want to make, submit it, and those changes will have taken place. If you have any questions, you can contact your representative, or as always, you can call our offices and we will be glad to help you. Thank you and have a great day.